Ang simula ng ating leadership assignment is one, building credibility, and then second, building trust, or vice versa. Building of credibility is essential kasi hindi tayo pakikinggan ng mga tao kung hindi tayo credible na leader. Kaya importante rin talaga na bago natin suungin yung role ng management and leadership is that we try to equip ourselves with knowledge. Hindi kasi sapat yung technical knowledge lang natin eh. Na kapag ka meron kang technical knowledge, malawak na yung experience mo, alam mo nang gawin yung mga bagay-bagay, magiging effective na manager ka na. Isa sa mga pagkakamali yan, build your credibility. Meaning, you know how to lead, you know how to manage, show that you know how to do that. Practice it, in the workplace, because knowing is not enough. Practicing is the key because that leads to skills development, di ba? Yung pangalawa ay build trust. Importante yung relationship building. Ano po? Hindi pwedeng authority lang yung meron ka na dapat katakutan ka ng mga tao para kasundin. If you want to earn respect, start with building trust. If you don't earn their trust, they won't do their best for you because they don't trust you, di ba?